would say other people that I work with primarily is where knowledge is shared and kind of passed around, especially knowledge that's kind of on the forefront of the field. Also, journal articles, things like that. Everyday interactions. I work in social and political philosophy, so a lot of what I study is things that are ongoing and happening right now in politics and social life, so pretty much anything that's around me.
Knowledge is just like, the accumulation of data through a variety of different means, testing certain hypotheses and, seeing, whether they play out or not, and getting to understand the nuances of how people interact and how things work.
I think the internet is great these days when you're kind of studying social issues, because there's a ton of blogs, there's a ton of people just from anywhere and in any sort of department or specialty that are using social media in really cool ways and sharing information, sharing different knowledge sets, etc. So I think I turned to social media and kind of like blogs, articles, online.
I think it's pretty good. I mean, I can't imagine how anyone did good scholarship before the internet, and not because you can't find materials, but it's sort of confusing to me how someone would have been able to decide that no one else had done a similar project before. Okay, but with the internet you can determine that fairly easily.
I think overwhelmingly it's helped. One of the things that's kind of a concern in my field of study is whether there will be a lot of journals that go online and whether that will potentially help or harm during that transition in people's careers as they try to publish. It's also potentially harmful if, say, somebody does research, presents it at a conference, or does a dissertation, and then gets published online, and as a result doesn't get picked up for publication as a book. So, it's got positives and negatives, really.